Shalom everybody, Spider the Chief. Today is January 31st, 2019. Tomorrow starts the 100-day raw vegan challenge. So right now I'm on the way to one of my favorite spots, Bus Boys and Poets, and I'm gonna get this meal, tear that up, and then tomorrow starts the 100-day raw vegan challenge. See, one of my favorite starters that I'm gonna get is the vegan nachos. I think I'm gonna go with the sandwiches. Let's see what we got. I think I'm gonna go with the vegan tuna salad. Oh, I'm back in the crib, about to get ready to tear up some vegan chocolate chip cookies. They bake in 10 minutes, non-GMO. Cookie dough, yes. Today, January 31st. 2019. Tomorrow is the 100-day raw vegan challenge, and y'all just seen, hey, that last meal before the 100-day raw vegan challenge start. Got me some cookies. Sip that. Y'all bless me. Holla back y'all in a few. All right. Yes.